नमस्कार, आप स्टडी विद सुधीर देख रहे हैं और मेरा नाम है टीएस सुधीर. Many of you have been inquiring about what will really happen to the NEET entrance examination on the 26th of July and the IIT JEE mains entrance examination in the 3rd and 4th week of July. These are prestigious entrance examinations with as many as 16.84 lakhs candidates for the NEET and 11.18 lakhs candidates for IIT JEE mains. So we are talking about a large mass of students. Now, I spoke to a top official in the National Testing Agency, the NTA, which conducts both these entrance examinations. Now, he is a very highly respected gentleman whose words and opinion are deeply regarded. Now, he did not wish to be quoted because he said things are still fluid. No final decision has been taken whether to further postpone the dates from July or whether to conduct them on the same dates in the 3rd and 4th week of July. I'll tell you what are the big points that he revealed to me. 1. A meeting has been tentatively scheduled for the 26th of June, यानी कि 26 तारीख को एक मीटिंग बुलाई गई है. अगर 26 तारीख को नहीं होती है तो it's quite possible that it may take place by the end of the month, sometime next week, right? This will be a full meeting of the NTA board, and at that meeting the HRD ministry's opinion as well as the advice from the health ministry will also be taken into consideration. Point number 2, I asked him what is the NTA's position as far as the conduct of the two examinations is concerned, given the fact that the number of cases because of corona have been rising steadily in the country. He said two things. We want to conduct the two entrance examination, and number 2, NTA will take the final call by the end of this month, that is in about 10 days from now. So we could expect some kind of a decision in the first week of July. Now, the executive committee members of the National Testing Agency are in regular touch with each other and keeping a watch on the numbers, the steadily rising numbers as a result of corona. One of the options which has been discussed internally, और इसके बारे में उन्होंने मुझे बताया कि whether online exams can be conducted for the candidates while they are at their home with adequate safeguards put in place. So इसके बारे में भी चर्चा की गई है. The problem with that is, and that is something the NTA is very aware of, is that not everyone will have uniform internet access, and the NTA does not want deserving candidates to somehow miss out or suffer because of any kind of technical glitch, especially those in the semi-rural, semi-urban kind of areas. The other aspect being spoken about internally is that of social distancing, कि social distancing को किस तरह से लागू किया जाए अलग अलग एग्जामिनेशन सेंटर्स में. अब इसमें दिक्कत ये आती है कि अगर पूरी तरह से सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग को इंप्लीमेंट करने की जरूरत पड़ी, जो कि काफी लाजमी भी होगा, इट विल बी क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंट टू डू, दे विल नीड 3 times the present number of examination centers, and that will be a tall order for the NTA and the administration to ensure, because as it is they find it very difficult to organize these many examination centers. अब नजर डालते हैं how many exam centers are actually put in place for these two entrance examinations right now. NEET has 2,546 exam centers in 155 cities and towns, while JEE organizes exams in 233 टाउन्स एंड सिटीज. तो इससे भी 3 गुना ज्यादा नंबर की संख्या की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. What decision is taken by the CBSE, और ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, whatever decision is taken by the CBSE with regard to its own board examination, class 12 board exams which are to take place in the first 2 weeks of July, that will have a direct impact on what happens with both NEET as well as IIT JEE, and this will definitely come up for discussion. In fact, जो HRD ministry, which is the parent ministry for the NTA also, whatever decision it takes vis-a-vis the CBSE, they will also take into account what should be done with both the IIT JEE and the NEET entrance examination. The other question being discussed is, if it is postponed, the two entrance examination, how much can you postpone it by? जुलाई से अगस्त में कर सकते हैं या सीधा सितंबर के महीने में करेंगे, बिकॉज द एडमिशन प्रोसेस ऑफ द अदर इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस विल आल्सो गेट अफेक्टेड, वेदर इट्स बिट्स पिलानी और मणिपाल और वेरियस अदर स्टेट इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस, बिकॉज होगा ये नहीं कि दैट दे में टेक स्टूडेंट्स में टेक एडमिशन टू द अदर कॉलेजेस एंड देयर आफ्टर इफ दे गेट अ सीट इन द आईआईटी, वहां से निकल के आईआईटी में आ जाएंगे. सो द एंटायर एडमिशन प्रोसेस विल बिकम एक्सट्रीमली मेसी. लास्ट पॉइंट, Then there is also state politics. जो प्रदेशों में जिस तरह की राजनीति है उस पर भी ध्यान देना पड़ेगा एनटीए को, because there are certain states like Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Delhi, they have been reluctant to provide logistical support to board examinations, both of the CBSE and the ISC. So NTA will have to ensure that these states are also on board, on the same page before they announce the date. So these are the 8 big points that I have gained from the NTA top official, senior official, on what is the thinking within the National Testing Agency in consultation with the HRD ministry. So expect some kind of a decision either end of the month or the first week of July as far as the conduct of the NEET and the IIT JEE mains exams are concerned. Thank you very much for watching.